Hello friends, I'm still your friend, your tutor, Esomna of Goodwill Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to present to you one of the sweetest topics or tricks in mathematics I believe students will love very well. This trick is concerned with how to square a number using your head without employing the calculator, and that will be faster and easier. Can someone list out numbers so that you can find the square of the number?
Square of 73.
The square of 73 is 5,329.
Square of 256.
The square of 256 is 65,536. So on this, let me teach you how this is done. If you observe this number, let's look at this number. We have 23. For you to be able to find the square of 23, observe this. You know that I have my 23. Since you have this 23, find the easiest number down. You know that once something goes up, surely it will come down. So the easiest number close to this, there we have 20. And actually, we move down what? 3 times. So we have what? 3 movements here. So since we have 3 movements here, we have to actually move up another 3 times. When we move up another 3 times, we are having 26. So once we have moved up this, we can simply multiply these numbers, these two. If you multiply these two, if you multiply 26, which is the number that you have moved up, and 20, the easiest way is 2 times your 2 is 4. 2 times your 20 is 50, and 2 times your 6 is 12. Then 40 plus 12 is 52. So actually, you write your 52 and bring up our what? Usual 0 here. So you can see that 26 times 20 is 520. So since you have 520, we actually made a movement of 3. So easily square your what? 3. Once you square your 3, you are having 9. So at this point, we have to add this. 0 plus 9 is giving us 9. You bring down your what? 2, and you bring your what? 5 down. So you can see that 23 squared is 529. You can verify that with your calculator. If we move to the next one, we have 51 squared. If you observe this, using the same method, we have our what? 51. Since we have this 51, the easier number downwards is 50, and the easiest number up. Then since we made a one-step movement, which is 1 here, and the easiest number, if we actually move up the same 1 here, we are having our 52. Since we have our 52, 50 times 52 is 2,600. Since we have 2,600, then actually we have to square our movement, which is 1. Then 1 squared is giving us 1. Then if you bring it down, I have my 1. We are adding. I have my 1. I have my 0. I have my 6. I have my 2. So you can see that 51 squared is 2,601. Okay, let's move down to this number, this 3-digit number. If you observe this 3-digit number, I have 205 squared. So since it's 205, actually I have to write out my 205. Then the closest number downward is 200. Then if we are moving up, we made a movement of 5. We move down 5 times. Then actually if we are moving up, we are having 210. So as you can see here, 200 will multiply 210 so that we can be able to find the answer here. If 200 multiplies 210, we are having 42000. So we are having 42,000. We are having 42,000. Actually, we made a movement of 5. So squaring our 5, we are having 25. So we have 25. So at this point, we have to add this. If you're adding this, I have my 5, I have my 2, I have my 0, I have my 4, I have my 2. So at the end, I'm having 42,025. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. Kindly share it out there to kids and students that are sitting for external examinations so that they can be able to simplify numbers or square numbers easily. You can as well follow me on social media platform, Facebook, Esomnof Goodwill Online Maths, YouTube, Esomnof Goodwill Online Maths, and as well Instagram. Thanks for watching.